you abundance. Anayo, where are you please? We need to hear Anayo. Anayo. Alright, if you still have your ticket with you or you have bought and you've not collected your ticket, collect now and empty it into the raffle draw. I'm expected to get much of these tickets. The people are not buying markets. How much is money? Let me celebrate the... Yes, okay. The President, House of Integrity, Chichika Adino, CEO, Hotel Hotel and Suite, Divine Estate, Amo. So why is not used coming? For a refreshing experience in hospitality service, visit Hotel Hotel, Divine Estate. Alright, we are going for this stage of the raffle draw. We are going to pick somebody at random to... Please round up all the ushers, waitresses. Round up, please. At the count of 10, shake it for us, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the count of 10, if your tickets are not here, we'll move ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you still have your ticket with you? Alright, that's the ticket. 9. They gave it. Alright, let me pick a woman. Do I have any woman here? Madam, please come and pick. Please, kindly come and pick. I don't want to go too far. Kindly come and pick. Please, bring it as fast as you can. Please, madam, come. Pick up your hand. Drop everything with you. Show them your hand. Show them you are free. You are safe. Alright, that's it. Don't look. Alright, what is going down is this refrigerator. Alright, madam, call the... People who is holding a John. Ticket number 1028. Holding a John. Ticket number 1028. Should we? Okay, the phone number. Alright, phone number. Let me tell you. It's ringing. So the last try, let's see. If the person doesn't pick, we are going to keep the ticket. We'll keep calling until the person comes to pick his tickets. We are known for integrity and calling for persons. Ticket number 1023. Obina. 1028, sorry, 1028. Sir, were you anticipating this grand prize?
I did not, sir.
Wow. How many tickets? Please sit there. Please sit there. All right. Alright, sir. Were you anticipating this grand prize? Okay, how many tickets did you buy? How many tickets do you have? 20,000 only. No, we can't give this to him. Sir, we can't give it to him. On behalf of Canary World Lounge, in commemoration of our 2 years anniversary, we want to say congratulations. You are the winner of our grand prize double door chest freezer. Make some noise! Wow, on our 2 years anniversary, you are just a lucky man. Some people 3 million they could not win. You got just 20,000 and you are a lucky winner. Where are you from, sir? Delta Igbo.
Delta Igbo.
All right, congratulations. What do you have to say?
I want to say a very big thank you to Canary World. This is not my first time of coming to Canary World. Even when Canary World was like this, I'm coming here. And I want to say a very big thanks to the opposition. Obviously, I've been a very wonderful person. And I love him. I did not know this was happening. I just walked in today and I got the tickets. And that was it. So, big talk to Canary World and Canary World forever. This is where I'm going to be having my beer forever. Thank you so much, Canary World. I appreciate this. Thank you.
You have to celebrate that one. Microwave! So we are still minutes. Don't worry. This we someone to pick us. So you are here just pick. Chairman, come and pick. Come. Don't time. Please come. Sorry, excuse me. And there are women, I love women. But I raise your carry on. Don't face them. The 2 hands. 2 hands. Oh yeah, face the other side. Pick one. Is that one? That's 2 you pick. It's all one. Chidi, where are you? Great. Alright, thank you. 1362, Chidi. Go in. Chidi, are you here? Go in. 1362. Please come. 1362. Chidi. Should we call the phone number? Okay, the phone. Chidi, we are calling Chidi now. Is your phone ringing? Number, user busy. Alright, we are going to reserve the ticket. Thank you. shake. Sir, just one, pick. Just pick 10 persons. Just pick. Just pick. Oh yeah, pick 5. Face that side, sir. Talk to pick 5. Just take 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. Okay. Alright, let's see. So, sir, let's start with you. Are you ready? Okay, please come closer.
What you say that you wake up spend 20k?
Moses Ruben!
Spend 20k, but we 10k back.
0080. Moses Ruben. Going 0080. Check the next person.
I have cash back. Cash out.
Ticket number 1221 1221. Shola. Go to the next person. Daniel 0031. Daniel 0031. Go to the next person. Sonny 1262. Let's confirm Shola, please. Congratulations. Mercy of Bada Brandy. Thank you. DP Bada Brandy. Mr. Charles 0011. Oga Sonny, you have just won for yourself. Is Oga Sonny still in the building? You can kindly come forward or send someone to bring your ticket. Give someone your ticket to bring, please. 12 what? 1262, please confirm. Alright. Mr. Charles 0011. Okay, what's your name, sir? Alright, sir, let's have yours. 1405. Kelvin O.E. 1405. Kelvin O.D. The next one. 0027. Jane Liberty. 0027. Alright, this particular round of giveaway is coming courtesy of
Where is your album?
CP Bada Brandy. Okay. Congratulations to Oga Sonny. Can we confirm, please?
Rob. Where's Fimiko now? How do you see your Fimiko?
On behalf of giving Bada Brandy, the premium brandy, product sponsor of our second anniversary, and over this to you.
Thank you. I want to thank you. Thank you.
All right, let's go.
00.
Prestige 0041. Prestige 0041. Prestige 0041. What's your name? What's it? Yes, sir. Come this way. On behalf of TV Bada Brandy, we say thank you for coming. Congratulations. Chicken soup. 1417 chicken soup. 1417 chicken soup. 1417. Check this person. 1367 chicken 1405, Kelvin Obi. 1405, Kelvin Obi. 1417, Chikansu.